Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make orange chutney at your home for idli and dosa by adding some mint leaves. It gives a nice taste, guys. So this is one of the chutney which is available in the hotel uh, or restaurant. So let's start. So for this recipe, what you need, take a kadai, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and in this I'm going to add some onion. So I chopped 2 onions. This is very small onion, and we have to fry this onion until it becomes light brown in color. And here I chopped 3 tomatoes. Hey guys, in this I'm going to add 3 to 4 red dry chilies, and you have to mix these things together. And in this I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chana dal. So we are not going to soak any chana dal. I'm going to add the raw one. Hey guys, here I'm adding this chana dal. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of chana dal, and I'm going to add these tomatoes. And mix these things together. Nice smell, guys. Today I'm making dosa, so I thought I can share this recipe, and I'm making this chutney for dosa also. So we have to mix these things together. In this I'm adding fresh mint leaves. So if you don't have the mint leaves, that is pudina, you can add the coriander leaves. It gives a nice taste in the chutney. And salt up to your taste. So I added the salt up to your taste, and in this I am adding little bit of imli, tamarind. It gives a tanginess in this chutney. If you don't have the tamarind, many of my subscribers they asked if we don't have the tamarind, what we have to do. You can add that amchur powder or anardana powder. So this is done, guys. If you want coconut, you can add the coconut too. But today I'm not going to add any coconut. So when it becomes cooled down, I'm going to grind it in the mixie as a smooth paste. Hey guys, here I'm making dosa for the dinner. So for this only I'm making the chutney. So can you see how crisp it is? And here my red chutney is ready, and I'm going to temper this one by adding a little bit of oil and mustard seeds, some urud dal. So here I'm doing the tempering for the chutney, and this is ready. So I added some oil and some mustard seeds, urud dal. If you have some curry leaves, you can add that one. And I'm going to add this tempering into this. So yummy, guys. So my orange pudina chutney is ready to serve with dosa. Hey guys, this is the quick video of how to make orange chutney with some mint leaves at your home for idli and dosa, or even with you can eat this one with the rice. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.